Group assignment. Important notes. Ensure that you have created groups in your course beforehand if you want to use group assignments. Group assignments allow one submission per group, and grading can be applied at the group level or individually, depending on your settings. Setting up the group assignment. Log into your course and click the Turn Editing On button at the top right. Add an activity or resource. In the section where you want to add the assignment, click Add an Activity or Resource. Choose Assignment option under the Activities tab in the Activity and Resource Chooser. Configure assignment settings. Enter a title for the assignment. Description. In the Description section, provide details and instructions. Set the Students Submit in Groups option to Yes to create a group assignment. Set Require Group to make submission to Yes. When a student who is not in a group attempts to submit Moodle, will display a message. You're not a member of any group. Please contact your lecturer. The student will not be able to submit the assignment. Make your selection for Require all group members submit. If Yes is selected, then the assignment will not be classed as submitted until all members of the group have clicked the Submit Assignment button. This setting becomes selectable if you set Require students to click the Submit button to Yes under the Submission settings. Feedback types and submission settings. Group. Feedback types controls how you can provide feedback. In most cases, you will not need to change these settings unless you have an online text submission. Set Comment Inline to Yes for online text submissions. Set Require students to click the Submit button to Yes if you want the option to require all group members to submit from the group assignment settings. The setting, Require that students accept the submission statement, is enabled by default on assignments. Do not change this setting, as it is important that students understand what is required of them in regards to academic integrity prior to submitting an assignment. Grades. In the grade settings, select the type of grade and the grading method. The most common settings are point and simple direct grading. The other grading methods are rubrics and marking records. Anonymous submissions aren't possible with groups, as the lecturer can see the membership of each groups. Use Marking Workflow is an optional workflow that requires grades to go through a series of stages before they're released to students. You can choose to hide grader identity from students. This option might be required if course officers are uploading feedback received from lecturers. Once you are done, scroll down and click on Save and Display.